put out a list of apartments real quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do that so I can know what numbers they do.
Y'all are able to, y'all can, I mean, you still got four.
All right, you guys, we're out here in Statesboro, Georgia. We just got another contract. We're gonna be cleaning some college dorms, okay? So come follow me. I'm gonna let you know some of them is jacked up and some of them don't look that bad, okay? So I got my team. I got a team of 8 people coming out here. It's 24 within this facility. If you take a look. This is how it looks. But it is 24 dorms, okay? Let's take a look at one of them. The main problem cleaning business owners have is not only systems, but they don't know how to put together the foundation as far as putting together content that attracts the right employee, the right clients to you. A lot of people don't have time to put together the content. They don't have time to put together email marketing campaigns. They don't have time to build a website with a booking form on there. They don't have the time to even learn all of this stuff. So what we decided to do in our new mentorship program is do it for you. That's right. In my new mentorship program, we create the content for you. We create the email marketing for you. We create the website. We put a booking form on there for you. That way, whenever your clients go to your website, they can book online, okay? We create all this for you. Not only that, but we also will send you on appointments, okay? 3 appointments now come with our new mentorship program. On top of that, you have VIP access to schedule your coaching calls with me. This new mentorship program is not cheap. Anything that's good has to come with a price. I can't offer all this stuff to you for $50, okay? It's a lot of value in taking your time and setting up somebody's company the right way, okay? You can't even put a system together if your foundation is trash. I'm gonna let you know that right now. You have no good content. You don't have no way to track your clients, no email marketing, no pixel setup, and it just doesn't work out for you, okay? So what we do is we help you out with the foundational part, okay? And you also would get the courses. You also would get the 100 business forms. You'll also get an invite to our community, okay? And be a lifetime member in our community, okay? With our new mentorship program. Click the link down below if you want to know more about it. But I will tell you that it is not cheap. So if you're looking for a cheap way out and you don't want to invest in your company, then don't even click the link. We do have a payment plan for people that just really don't have the money like that. But if you're interested and you need help with all of that, click the link in bio and I got you. See you on the other side. Come on. Okay, so this is one of the dorms. This is actually a 4-bedroom. They're pretty small. They don't have any stoves in it. They have a microwave right here. Microwave not that bad. Sink, the little cabinet. They have refrigerator. Refrigerator's not in bad condition, but it still needs to be clean because you can see it's dirty. Right there. You can see right here. Okay, so we're gonna be working on detail cleaning these and getting it back in shape the way it's supposed to be. Baseboards need to be done. They're gonna wipe down the baseboards. This is the furniture. This is how the furniture looks in here. Okay. It smells like feet and corn chips in here. I'll tell you right now. All right. So it has 2 sinks. 2 sinks right here. The light, we're gonna dust this light off. Has to be wiped off. This right here has to be wiped off. Vents, we're gonna clean it real good. All the drawers need to be wiped out. We're gonna wipe down the door, front and back. And this is how the bathroom looks. Okay. This one right here isn't really as bad as the first one that we walked. But here's the rooms. Nice small room. And it's a 4-bedroom. So the rooms aren't that bad. They're gonna be paying attention to wiping down the mattress, front and back, underneath the beds, vacuum, get the windows, the window sills. It has a drawer right here. And I always make my people pull these drawers all the way out and get behind the drawers because you never know what falls in between the cracks, okay? So So our job is to make sure these babies back in shape. These actually don't get as bad because they turn every year. Every year they're switching students out, so they don't get as bad as some of the other ones that we have cleaned before, okay? So let's go. We're out here in Statesboro, Georgia, and we got some more college dorms. We're doing college dorms this year as well. Y'all know last year we had Savannah State and we cleaned those, but this year we got a new contract and we're in Statesboro, Georgia. We're gonna be cleaning these wonderful dorms here. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough on these dorms. They are 4 bedrooms. All of them are 4 bedrooms, okay? And it's about 24 in this building, and we got about 3 days to complete the job, okay? So my team is right here. They're getting all this stuff out of the car, and we ready, baby. We ready. All right? Y'all like that coupon code? You can scan this code. It actually works. All right, so let's get it. It's what I love to do. College dorms. All right, so this is day 4 of us cleaning college dorms, okay? And I ain't gonna lie, this one has been a challenge, okay? We have been sending people out here to these dorms, and people have been declining the work, honey. They have been declining the work. They're like, because first of all, it is a 45-minute drive, so people don't want to take the drive, and then they say that it's too much work, it's too hard, you know. But I did find a team of about 6 people that decided to stay out there and continue cleaning the college dorms for me, okay? So just yesterday, it was a cleaning company that pulled up with a bus full of Mexicans. I don't know where they came from, but it was like 25 of them, okay? Came off the bus, and they just started cleaning all the dorms and stuff. And we was like, oh my God, we got to step it up.
Okay.
So today, I just made a call out to my VA, and I was like, listen, we need some people. I need you to schedule some appointments like ASAP. Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, we're going to be interviewing for our college dorms. All right, so we got a good bit of people on our list. We got about 15 candidates that we're going to be interviewing tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So hopefully out of that 15, we'll find some good people, okay? But yeah, that's what we're going to be working on tomorrow. We also got a walkthrough tomorrow for Airbnb.
Yes. So you guys, just going into this college dorm situation, just make sure you keep everything organized. Like with any contract that you have, that's a big thing. Just make sure you have organization. I know with this college contract that we had to make sure that we have organization. We have a grounds person to make sure, okay, what's being done, what's not done, if something is wrong inside the unit. Because at first we started out with 1 person inside the dorm because we were trying to see, okay, how long is it going to take? Because we did another college, I'm pretty sure if you guys watch the channel that you see exactly that we had another college before. But with the previous college that we had, the dorms were only 1 2-bedroom, you know, 1 bath. Now we have 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. So it's a little bit
taking longer. It's taking the team about 4 to 6 hours to complete 1.
Yeah.
So, you know, when I talked to, you know, the guy in charge about it, he was like, man, it shouldn't take that long.
Right.
It should be about 2.5 hours. So I kept talking to the team about it, like, man, you sure you guys, y'all ain't doing too much in there or whatever? So we went back and forth. But once you get a staff of about 6 people telling you the same thing all the way across the board, I only had like 1 person say they were in and out in an hour and a half. And just one out of 6 people. Everybody else was like, nah, he's taking long. It's taking about 4 to 6 hours for 1 person. So we was like, you know what, we got to come up with a game plan. So I went out to the store. I bought some outdoor bleach because the bathrooms, if you see the beginning of this video, they bad. The bathrooms are bad. But all of the bathrooms don't look like that, but they bad. So the outdoor bleach, spray down all of the units and just let it sit overnight, and then let your team come in there and clean it in the morning. So that's been our game plan for that. And and then they've been following this checklist.
Yes.
That
I was just
the company gave us a checklist, and they've been following the checklist, but come to find out, some of the stuff on the checklist, the guy was telling us that we didn't even have to do, because they were going to come in there and paint. So
right.
that kind of killed our time on this.
I
on
mean,
this project.
that killed a lot of time, guys. Like a lot of time, and we had to get creative on what we were going to do. Far as, like I said, at first we sent one person in there just to see how long it'll take. After we discovered, okay, wait a minute, it's taking too much time, what we decided is to actually put a team of 3 people. And we actually designated, everybody in their own area. So that way we can, get everything done in a timely manner. And once we added a team of 3, now instead of the 4 hours, now it's taking everybody about 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Right.
Right.
So if you guys experience cleaning dorms like this, I want to hear your experience and your stories. For us, we decided to work in groups of 3 to a dorm, and the ladies are getting out more faster that way, and they like to work together anyway, and they're able to knock it out quicker that way, But if you guys are wondering how we bid on it and how we found this account,
join the community.
Make sure that you guys join the community, okay? Because we're going to share all of this stuff on our live Q&A. But you gotta join the community.
I mean,
guys.
y'all know y'all need to tap in anyway, because y'all know Miss Johnson be giving away the sauce. If y'all think she giving away the sauce on the channel, y'all need to go ahead and just tap in into the community, and oh my gosh, you will not be disappointed, honey. Okay?
Right. So if y'all want to know how we quote this thing and how we found it, and what we're outsourcing it for, and all this good juicy information, tap in to the community, www.tenacityacademy.com. Click on learn more. Click on one of them buttons on the website, and then go to our link tree and click on join the community, man. Join the community. I mean, it don't cost much. $55 a month. All right. So other than that, I'm out of here. I just wanted to share with y'all our experience right now going through cleaning some more college dorms. Okay, I love it. It's great money, but it can be a challenge. But we're gonna stick it out. Right. All right, so that's my time. I'm out of here. Peace. Hey, you guys. So sorry, I hate to bother you guys again, but I have to tell you about our community, okay? Tenacity Academy community full of cleaning business owners. Right now, we have over 200 members inside of our community right now, okay? You can tap into our community for free, and you can join our lives on Saturday night at 8 o'clock Eastern, okay? Or you can join our paid program, which is $55 a month, and you can still join our lives. You can join our challenges, and you can actually win cash. You can win leads. We give away money. We give away leads every week, okay? And you're able to win those challenges and those leads, okay? When you're a part of our paid community, you'll also get access to our courses. You also get access to our library, for our replay library, okay? So for some people that may not have time to catch the live Q&A, we put all of the live Q&As inside of a library, and the paid community is able to tap into that library. That library is very, very valuable, okay? So all of that for $55 a month. So if you cannot afford our mentorship program, you can at least get inside the community for $55 a month and still get massive value, okay? And if not, just tap into our free community, and I'll see you guys Saturday night at 8 o'clock, okay? But I think you guys will enjoy it. See you on the other side. Peace.